We are going racing this time around. Jim Olson kind of trailing back, maybe not so sure with the way the car's feeling right now, so he's going to start towards the back there and just kind of trail follow him around and get a feel for it. As they're going to pick up speed, here they come, green flag, and we're racing as DJ Smith and Driver X were fighting to who's going to cross the line first, back and forth. Here we go.
And they continue to fight as Dennis Smith Jr. now in second with a battle. Mike Byer found his way in the third over the 17 of Max Kaler. And then the number 2 of Michael Bilderback rounding off your top 5. But it's still the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr. just a little bit out front of the 81 of Dennis Smith Jr. Michael Bilderback trying to use the low side on the 17 of Max Kaler. As they'll go door to door in the turns 1 and 2. But it's still John Reynolds Jr. out front.
Yeah, DJ Smith just kind of hanging in there, waiting to see what's going to happen. Don't know if he's going to try to make a move on him or not. As Mike Byer like, slid a little to the outside coming out of 4. Bilderback looking to pass Kaler to take up 4th place.
Yeah, everybody getting a little slippery in turns 1 and 2, taking the turns high and wide, but still John Reynolds Jr. out front, Dennis Smith second, Mike Byer in the 75 third, Bilderback 4th, and Max Kaler your top 5.
Yeah, I'd say Jim Olson off just a little bit there as he's not running full speed in that 24 machine.
He may pull off.
As it definitely going to be pulling off this time around as there goes Jim Olson. We're down to 5 as Driver X pulling it around halfway through. A little bit past the halfway point this time around for Driver X as he's leading this late model heat race.
He only has 1 heat win in his back pocket. The X machine of John Reynolds Jr. Dennis Smith has 6. In that 81 machine, and there's the battle in third for the 75 of Mike Byer and the number 2 of Michael Bilderback.
Bilderback looking on the inside of Mike Byer. Mike Byer, former 2003 Madison International Speedway track champion. So 2 track champions right there battling it out for 3rd place here at the Rockford Speedway.
Yeah, they continue to battle it out in turns 3 and 4. Byer still has the ups on the number 2 of Michael Bilderback, but it's John Reynolds Jr. and an X machine out front with 1 to go.
Yeah, Eric, that was definitely interesting on that first lap between Driver X and DJ there. I don't know what was going on. Definitely battle for the lead. It looks like Driver X is going to claim victory this time around as he does, followed by DJ Smith, Mike Byer, Michael Bilderback, Max Kaler, and the other driver, Jim Olson, who had left the track.
Rounds off your top. The X machine of John Reynolds Jr. That is his 2nd heat win for the 2-time champion. 104.9 the X. Colin Metals. Crazy Times Pub and Grub. Neighbors Bar and Grill. Rock River Valley Painting. Prime sponsors for the X machine. He's out of Loves Park, Illinois. Let's give it up for the 2-time champion, the X-Man of John Reynolds Jr.